Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't done so already, you can go ahead and get the IbisPaint X from your Player App Store. So do a search, download and install it. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up IbisPaint X and you'll be greeted to this page here. Mind you, using the free version of this, you're going to have ads. So if you don't mind having ads on it, it's not too bad. It doesn't distract me too much. So yeah, there are ads on here. From here, we've got two options. We've got My Gallery or Online Gallery. So what I like to use is My Gallery. Now this is everything inside of here is in obviously your gallery and the images you've been working on. So now to upload an image, to do that, we need to, on the bottom of the page, click on the plus icon. And then we need to click on import picture. And now go ahead and choose a photo you'd like to import to start working on. And then it will say here import picture. If you have imported analog line drawings, you can use extract line drawing filter to make the non-line areas transparent. If you import a photo of a person or object, you can use background remover filter to cut out only the object. So you can do the background removal, extract line drawing or cancel. I'm just going to click on cancel. From here, here's the image inside the editor. So from here, we can start editing this image. So if we first come down on the bottom of the page here, we've got these different options. So we got the brushes here, where we can use the magic wand, filter, lasso, brush, eraser, blur, smudge, special, etc. If we want to add some text on here, click on the text, and then click anywhere on the page to add text. From here, I'm just going to do it quickly, test. And you can change the font here as well. So click on font. And then you got all these different fonts you can use. So you got pre-installed fonts. If you want to use any one of these, you've got additional fonts. Just got to click on download to download them. So you can have a look at all these different ones. As you can see, there's over 3,000. And if there's a special font you really want to use and it's not in here, you can actually go ahead and import it online. So from here, click on where it says the three dots, top right hand corner of the page. Or sorry, the plus icon. And now this is going to do a Google search for free fonts, but you can just type in that font you really want to use and then download it, and it's going to get put into IbisPaint X. So for example, if I like a font in Duff font, I'm going to click into here and then just going to zoom in a bit. And if there's any fonts I like inside of here, I'm just going to quickly, so if I like this one here, the Mikan Sanav, probably butchered the name, but I'm going to click download. And now this is going to download. So you have a little download pop up here. And then it'll say fonts has been installed. So I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click out of this. And you can see here web fonts are going to be put here. So if I want to use that, I'm just going to click onto it. And then you can also change your size, style, background, spacing. You can delete if you like. You got left, horizontal, and click the tick. And now with your fingers, you can move the image in and out as well. And now if we go at the top of the page here, I'm going to click on this button here. It's got reference window. You can enable this. Grids, if you want to add grid lines. If you want to add a manuscript, you can as well. Display when zoomed. Do pixelated or smooth. Now if we want to go ahead and add a ruler, we can. We've got ruler up here. We can add a ruler. Turn it on and off. Also got the symmetry ruler here as well. Like so, you can play around with that inside of here. And on the top left, you got undo changes as well. And now when it's time to download your image, we can do that by clicking on the arrow here. And then click on save image. And you also got settings here as well. So you got a whole different range of settings we can play around. So you can have a read of all this stuff. There's too many to go through in this video, but this is just a basic rundown of how to use this. If we keep scrolling on the bottom here, we've also got a color picker here, so you can choose which color and all that. You got the palette as well, HSB.